Ahoy there, nautical truth seekers. My name is Captain Aries Ezra, and you've just boarded the illustrious ship Nautical Awakenings, where we have daily deep dives into the waters of truth and sail steadfast into the currents of mystery. Today, we're sailing into one of the most mind-bending ideas in science, philosophy, and spirituality. What if the universe is a hologram? And if that is the case, wouldn't humans be also? In this journey, we'll navigate black holes, quantum strangeness, ancient wisdom, and mystical insight. By the end, I hope you will see your own life differently as both an observer and a creator in a holographic cosmos. So, if you're ready to set sail, like the video, share, and subscribe, and without further ado, let's get nautical. Imagine for a moment that everything you see, touch, and feel, the desk beneath your hands, the ceiling above, even the thoughts in your mind, are patterns projected from a cosmic screen. Reality might be a living, dynamic tapestry, and you are both a viewer and a weaver. In 1997, physicist Juan Maldacena proposed what we now call the holographic principle. The idea, all of what we experience in 3 dimensions might actually be encoded on a distant 2-dimensional boundary like a cosmic screen. This concept came from black hole physics. When a black hole devours matter, the information about that matter doesn't disappear, it seems to be stored on the surface, the event horizon. Think of it as a cosmic hard drive, all the data of the universe etched on the edge of space itself. Imagine a hologram on a credit card. From a distance, it looks 3D, up close, it's flat. Now imagine your entire life, your choices, even your consciousness, projected in this way. Are you a flat image? Or a fully conscious observer playing within the code? Science begins to probe these mysteries. The holometer experiment at Fermilab asks, is space pixelated at the smallest scales? Could reality itself be made of tiny units of information, like a digital screen? And if so, are we part of the projection or the programmer? Then there's quantum mechanics. Particles can exist in multiple places at once, and entangled particles affect each other instantly, no matter the distance. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. Picture 2 dice rolling on opposite sides of the galaxy. One shows 6, the other instantly does 2. This isn't magic. It's a glimpse of a reality that is coded and connected. Try a mental experiment. Imagine you are tossing a thought into the universe. What if, like entangled particles, it instantly influences another point somewhere far away? Could your intention be part of the underlying cosmic code? Thousands of years ago, Plato described prisoners in a cave. Chained, they only see shadows projected on a wall. They believe the shadows are the real objects. Only by stepping outside the cave could they witness true reality. If our universe is holographic, perhaps our senses are seeing shadows to not the full code, but interpretations projected onto our consciousness. The key question: how often do we mistake appearances for truth? Here's a playful exercise. Look around your room. Imagine it's a holographic simulation. Notice what feels solid and what seems slightly illusionary. Even ordinary objects begin to shimmer with mystery when you observe with curiosity. In Eastern thought, Maya describes the world as illusion, solid and permanent. Not quite. Reality is fluid, interconnected, and ultimately shaped by consciousness. Consider lucid dreaming. You know the dream isn't solid, yet you can interact, create, and explore. What if waking life operates similarly? Your awareness, intentions, and choices could be shaping the holographic projection you inhabit. Every act of attention, noticing a pattern, feeling awe, practicing gratitude may send ripples across this cosmic tapestry. Like stones thrown into a vast pond of light, quantum experiments reveal that observation changes outcomes. Consciousness is not passive. It interacts with reality. Imagine reality as a canvas of light and energy, and your mind as a brush painting ripples, colors, and patterns. Moments of synchronicity, the uncanny coincidences in life, could be glimpses of the code responding to your focus. Small insights or intuitive nudges are like sparks revealing the underlying holographic framework. Now pause and imagine this. Each choice you make is a brushstroke. Every thought creates ripples. Every emotion influences the patterns of the universe. If the universe is holographic, your thoughts, intentions, and awareness are more significant than you might imagine. Meditation, visualization, and mindful action are levers that interface with the cosmic code. Picture your consciousness as the rudder of a ship navigating an ocean of information. Each decision sends waves across this holographic sea. Your curiosity, focus, and creativity are all actively shaping reality. Even small shifts, noticing beauty, choosing compassion, following intuition, may resonate farther than you realize. You're a participant, not a passenger. Science, philosophy, and spirituality all converge here. Reality is alive, responsive, and interactive. Imagine the cosmos as a symphony, with each observer contributing a note. We are simultaneously audience, musician, and composer. Light, matter, consciousness, they are all dancing together. The universe is not static. It is a living holographic performance, and we are integral performers within it. Consider this: the ripples of your attention, focus, and imagination may be weaving through the very fabric of space-time. Next time you gaze at the stars or even glance at your hands, remember, you are woven into the cosmic tapestry. Reality is not fixed. It is dynamic, responsive, and intimately linked with consciousness. Sail into curiosity, question what you perceive, explore what you feel. Understand that in a holographic universe, you are not just an observer, you are also a creator, shaping both the map and the journey. This is your esoteric Captain Aries Ezra, reminding you to stay awake, stay aware, and stay safe while navigating the waters of truth in the currents of your life. Stay steadfast in your convictions and rest peacefully in God. Be sure to like, share, and comment on the video to get it out to the masses. And please subscribe if you enjoyed my content and wish to experience more. I have an abundance of content just waiting for you to dive into. Until next time, peace and love, my friends.